Gonna go out and test Jorge's boat out. I think we got it all fixed. There was a little issue with the choke there. Was kind of all messed up. And to be honest, this is another one again where I'm not even sure what I did to fix this. What's going on with the key? There we go. We're over here at Four Corners. It's a beautiful day. And he still didn't have his trim switch working. Yeah, man, it's pretty out here. Boy, they keep growing it and growing it and growing it. So this trim switch isn't working at all, right?
Uh-huh.
It's working?
No. It's
not working at all?
No.
Well, why is that? It works there. Yeah. Huh. Guess I need to figure out why that's not doing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I got this little cheap tripod stand there. Yeah. Yeah, I fired right up. Mine's good. Jump in.
Yeah. It's extremely very soft, man.
Yeah.
Oh, listen the motor, man.
Probably shaking around there pretty bad. What do you think? So far, it sounds pretty good.
Alright, yeah.
I forgot that I forgot your trim switch was messed up here. We gotta get that fixed. You know. But it seems to be in time, and of course here these guys come. Anyway, I'll be back. It's a beautiful day. It's not very hot. Of course, the wind's blowing.
Yeah.
But it is windy.
Just a little
Say
windy.
hello.
Hello, Mr. Jeff.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Need to be out here fishing is what need to be doing. Go get Chuck and go get the boat, go to the water. So screw this. Do you want me to fix that trim switch?
Well, you got to, when you got service again, you can change it.
Okay.
Yeah.
probably something simple. I bet the switches.
The only thing is you got to be wait for a little bit
And then it'll work?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we find a different switch.
Yeah.
You know, like the switch like you got back there, probably be better.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so guys, one of those toggle switches, interrupt toggle switches, are a lot better than these TH Marine switches that are down here. Those things aren't very, I've had 2 or 3 of them now that they just kind of went bad. We could take a ride up that way.
Okay.
Once you get past these buoys, it's no wake. So then you can take a ride.
Yes.
We can see how it runs.
Really nice day.
You don't have a tachometer, so don't run it real hard, you know. Unless you want me to do it. You want me to do it? You got it. You got this. You got this. Look at him. He's like... Give her some juice. Go ahead. Hang on. Go back down to... Hammer it. Hammer it. Go ahead and hammer it. Go to the left. All right, let me see it. Hold on that.